I've been using the Dear Klaris Maple Energy Infusing Serum for a couple of weeks, and it has quickly become a staple in my skincare routine. The serum is packed with three powerhouse ingredients: maple syrup antio-booster, squalane, and a 3-peptide complex. The maple antio-booster, sourced from Canadian maple trees, strengthens the skin barrier and delivers antioxidant and anti-aging benefits. Squalane provides deep hydration, while the 3-peptide complex promotes collagen production to improve skin texture and reduce wrinkles. The texture of the serum is unique, rich and syrup-like, but it absorbs quickly without any stickiness. My skin instantly feels plump, radiant, and deeply moisturized. After just one use, I noticed a subtle glow, and over time, I've seen improvements in fine lines, particularly around my forehead, eyes, and mouth. The packaging is practical, with a dark brown 30-milliliter plastic bottle that comes with a pump and cap. I apply one full pump at night after cleansing and toning, gently massaging it into my face and neck. The serum is pale cream in color and has a slightly stretchy consistency, similar to syrup, though it feels lightweight and non-tacky on the skin. It has a faint scent that fades quickly as it dries down, leaving my skin feeling soft and hydrated. Overall, my skin looks healthier, feels smoother, and maintains a natural glow throughout the day. This serum is perfect for sensitive skin, providing deep hydration and improving skin texture without irritation. Highly recommend.